Hello friends, I am very happy to share that conceptual surgery has completed one successful year. We are proud to have delivered 400 plus talks with quality content to help enhance your knowledge and skills. And we strive to build up further and scale greater heights. In fact, your participation and feedback is a very valuable thing for us, and we require it more and more so that we can achieve greater heights together. We look forward to more interactions and learnings and helping you out through your DNB exams, super specialty entrances, MCQ books, examination books. So there's a lot more coming in conceptual surgery. And once again, I would like to congratulate the entire team of conceptual surgery, including all the students, all the subscribers, all the well-wishers. Let's do it together. Thank you so much.